Richard Bernard Moore is an American man on death row in South Carolina who is scheduled for execution. He was convicted of the September 1999 murder of convenience store clerk James Mahoney in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Moore's case has received international attention as he is scheduled to become the first person to be executed in South Carolina in over a decade, as well as the first person to be executed by firing squad under the state's new controversial capital punishment laws. Moore was born on February 20, 1965, and grew up in Michigan. He struggled with drug addiction and turned to robbery to support his drug habit. In the 1980s, he was convicted of burglary and weapons charges. In 1991, he moved with his partner, Linda Bird, from Michigan to Spartanburg, South Carolina. The two later had 2 children together. In 1991, Moore punched Michelle Crowder in the neck while trying to steal her purse in Spartanburg, then kicked her repeatedly in the head and back after she fell on the purse. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.